What if I told you that your first $1,000 doesn't require years of experience? No degree, no big investment, no perfect timing, just 30 days. Sounds unrealistic? Well, it's not. Because right now, somewhere in the world, a complete beginner is making their first $1,000 online. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. No fluff, no fake promises, just real strategies that actually work. Part 1. Shift your mindset, the reality check. Before we talk about money, we need to talk about something more important, your mindset. Most people don't fail because they lack skill. They fail because they never take action. They overthink. They wait for the perfect moment. They keep watching videos, but never start. Listen carefully. Your first $1,000 is not about perfection. It's about momentum. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Part 2. The 3 fastest ways to make your first $1,000. Now let's get practical. There are hundreds of ways to make money, but we're focusing on fast, realistic, beginner-friendly methods. Method 1. Freelancing. Skill equals money. If you have any skill, you can make money in the next 7 days. Skills like video editing, graphic design, writing, social media management, translation, even basic skills can earn you money. Here's how to start. Go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Create a simple profile. Offer one specific service. Example, instead of saying, I do video editing, say, I will edit short-form TikTok videos with subtitles. Now here's the trick most people miss. Don't wait for clients. Go find them. Search small YouTubers, Instagram creators, or business pages. Message them directly. Hey, I noticed your videos could perform better with captions and fast cuts. I can help you increase engagement. Want a free sample? That's how beginners land their first client. Charge $20 to $50 per job. Do 20 to 30 small jobs. Boom. $1,000 done. Method 2. Reselling. Flip for profit. You don't need to create anything. You just need to buy low and sell high. This is one of the fastest ways to make money. Here's how. Find underpriced items on Facebook Marketplace, local shops, or clearance sales. Take better photos. List them at a higher price. Examples: used phones, headphones, watches, clothes. Let's say you buy something for $10, sell it for $20. That's $10 profit. Do that 100 times. That's your $1,000. Now imagine scaling it. Method 3. Content plus simple monetization. This one takes a little consistency, but it can change your life. Start creating content. Platforms: YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels. Pick a niche: finance, motivation, tech facts. Post daily. Now here's how you make money fast. Affiliate marketing, selling digital products, promoting services. Example, you recommend a product, someone buys, you earn commission. No product, no inventory, no risk. Part 3. Your 30-day action plan. Now let's break it down. This is where everything changes. Week 1. Setup and action. Choose one method. Don't try all. Create your profile/page. Learn the basics. Reach out to 20 to 30 people daily. Goal: get your first client or first sale. Week 2. First money. Deliver your service. Improve your process. Ask for testimonials. Goal: make your first $100 to $300. Week 3. Scale up. Increase your price. Work faster. Get repeat clients. Goal: reach $500 plus. Week 4. Hit $1,000. Focus on what's working. Double your effort. Stay consistent. Goal: cross $1,000. Part 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Most people fail because of these. Trying too many things at once. Giving up too early. Waiting instead of acting. Overthinking instead of doing. Remember, speed beats perfection. Part 5. The truth no one tells you. Making your first $1,000 is not the hardest part. Keeping the momentum is. Once you make your first $1,000, you realize something powerful. Money is not luck. It's a skill. And once you learn that skill, you can repeat it again and again and again. So here's your challenge. Next 30 days, no excuses, no distractions. Pick one method. Take action daily, because 1 month from now, you can either say, I wish I started, or I just made my first $1,000. The choice is yours. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe, because this is just the beginning.